welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make Micellar water. Please, if this is your first time coming across my channel on YouTube, you are most definitely welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So making Micellar water, I made use of distilled water. Pour 250 ml of distilled water into your measurement cup, like you can see me doing here. After which you will later pour it into your storage container with the help of a funnel. I later added 1 tablespoon of glycerin, whitening glycerin, into the storage container containing the distilled water. That's how I'm going to pour in all of my ingredients into the storage container. Next, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of castor oil into the container as well. I made use of castor oil because it's a very thick oil. The next ingredient is castile soap. I made use of 10 ml of castile soap, and I later poured it into the container like so. Next ingredient is vitamin E oil. I made use of 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. Next, I added another 10 ml of castile soap into the Micellar water, into the treatment. Add 5 to 10 drops of lavender essential oil into the cleanser. Add 1 tablespoon blackberry fragrance. 1 tablespoon fragrance. You can make use of vanilla, mulberry. There are different fragrance you can use. So you can also add preservative, but it's optional. And that's how I made my own Micellar water. Please, if you find this video useful and helpful, please give this video a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends and loved ones. and also subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. So for usage, just pour the micellar water into a cotton pad and use it to wipe your skin like a cleanser, like you use your normal cleanser with your cotton pads. So that's it for this video. Bye.